Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are exploring beautiful Kraków, one of Poland's most charming cities, full of history and stunning architecture. So let's go discover it together. Our journey starts in Krakow's Old Town, a UNESCO site packed with history, charm and beautiful streets to explore. And our first stop is the main market square, the largest medieval market square in Europe. It's one of the liveliest spots in Kraków, surrounded by colorful buildings and historical landmarks. Right in the center is the Cloth Hall, a historic market building, and nearby is the St. Mary's Basilica. St. Mary's Basilica is one of Krakow's most recognizable landmarks. Inside, you can see the largest Gothic altarpiece in the world. And from the tower, a trumpet plays every hour. But it suddenly stops to remember a trumpeter who was shot while warning the city of an attack a long time ago. And now from the square, let's follow the famous Royal Road. Floriańska Street is one of the main streets in Kraków, connecting the main square and the old city walls. Back in the days, it was part of the Royal Road where kings would pass through the city. Today, it's busy with shops, cafes and people walking through. And right at the end of the street, you will find one of the city's most important historical getaways. St. Florian's Gate is a medieval defensive tower and one of the few remaining pieces of the Krakow's old fortification walls. For centuries, the gate protected the entrance to the city and was the starting point to the royal processions. Today, it's a beautiful reminder of Krakow's medieval past. Now, let's make our way towards Krakow's most legendary site. When you head south of the Old Town, you will reach Wawel Castle, sitting on the hill above the Wisła River. It was residence of the Polish kings for centuries, and it's where many of them are crowned and buried. Today, you can visit the royal chambers, the cathedral, and see the royal jewels and the historical artifacts. At the foot of the hill stands the Wawel Dragon, a statue inspired by the old Polish legend. The best part, the dragon actually breathes real fire every few minutes. It's fun, a little dramatic, and great stuff for photos. Now, let's head to quieter and greener part of the city. Planty Park wraps around the entire old town like a green ring. It's a peaceful, relaxing, and perfect for break between sightseeing stops. This park was created where the old city walls once stood, and today it's one of the most beautiful walking paths in Kraków. Our next stop is Jagiellonian University, founded in 1364 and one of the oldest in the world. The Collegium Maius building is full of history with traditional courtyards, arch walkways, and early scientific instruments that show how the knowledge developed here over centuries. In the courtyard, there is a historic clock where small figures appear and move every hour. And one of the most famous students was Nicholas Copernicus, who later changed how we understand the universe. And that is all from the beautiful Kraków. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you on the next trip.